The Kardashian-Jenner clan is no stranger to controversy, but the latest bombshell to rock their famous family may be the most shocking yet. Former partner Scott Disick has filed a lawsuit against ex-girlfriend Kourtney Kardashian, alleging that her 3 children with Disick are actually fathered by her ex-flame, Younes Bendjima. The lawsuit comes on the heels of explosive claims made by Bendjima, who has provided what he claims is definitive DNA evidence proving his paternity of the 3 Disick children, Mason, Penelope, and Rain. Disick, who has long been considered the father of the kids, is now facing the prospect of a highly publicized legal battle to preserve his parental rights. This is an absolute nightmare for the entire Kardashian family, said royal expert Darren Kentish. The idea that Scott may not actually be the father of Kourtney's children is earth-shattering. It calls into question everything we thought we knew about this family. According to court documents obtained by celebrity tabloid TMZ, Disick is suing Kardashian for fraud, defamation, and intentional infliction of emotional distress. The lawsuit alleges that Kardashian engaged in a secret affair with Bendjima during the time she was in an exclusive relationship with Disick, resulting in the conception of all 3 children. Disick claims that Kardashian deliberately misled him about the paternity of the kids, going so far as to forge his name on their birth certificates and convince him that he was their biological father. The lawsuit further alleges that Kardashian threatened Bendjima to keep silent about the affair and his role as the true father. Scott is absolutely devastated, a source close to the Disick family told reporters. He's been a devoted father to those kids for years, and now to find out they may not even be his own flesh and blood? It's just gut-wrenching for him. The bombshell revelation reportedly came about after Bendjima, Kardashian's former boyfriend, came forward with what he claims is definitive DNA evidence proving his paternity of the children. Bendjima, who dated Kardashian from 2016 to 2018, allegedly obtained the DNA samples through a private investigator. Younes has made it clear that he's willing to do whatever it takes to expose the truth, the source said. He's not backing down, and that has Scott and Kourtney absolutely terrified. The Kardashian-Disick relationship has been a tumultuous one over the years, filled with breakups, makeups, and constant tabloid scrutiny. The two first began dating in 2006 and had an on-again, off-again relationship for nearly a decade, finally calling it quits for good in 2015. During their relationship, Kardashian and Disick welcomed 3 children together: Mason in 2009, Penelope in 2012, and Rain in 2014. Disick has been heavily involved in the children's lives, often appearing alongside the family on their hit reality TV show, Keeping Up with the Kardashians. However, the couple's relationship has long been plagued by Disick's substance abuse issues and partying lifestyle. Their tumultuous dynamic and Disick's erratic behavior were a major storyline throughout the show's 20 seasons. The introduction of Younes Bendjima into Kardashian's life in 2016 only added to the drama. Bendjima, a 24-year-old model, swept Kardashian off her feet, and the two embarked on a whirlwind romance. Their relationship caused significant tension between Kardashian and Disick, who was reportedly devastated by her moving on. Now, with Bendjima's shocking paternity claims, the entire narrative surrounding the Kardashian-Disick family may be turned on its head. Legal experts say the potential fallout from Disick's lawsuit could be immense, both for the Kardashian family and the broader celebrity community. This case has the potential to completely upend our understanding of parental rights and the legal system's approach to high-profile paternity disputes, said attorney Jessica Marlowe. If Disick's claims are proven true, it could set a precedent that would shake the foundations of family law as we know it. At the heart of the lawsuit is Disick's assertion that Kardashian knowingly and deliberately deceived him about the paternity of the children. If Disick can provide evidence to support this claim, it could potentially nullify his obligations as the children's legal father, including child support payments and visitation rights. Scott is arguing that Kourtney's actions amounted to fraud and that he was essentially duped into believing he was the biological father, Marlowe explained. If he can prove that, it could potentially absolve him of any legal responsibility for the children. However, legal experts caution that overturning established paternity arrangements is notoriously difficult, even in high-profile cases. courts typically prioritize the best interests of the children, which may make them reluctant to disrupt the children's established family dynamic. The courts are going to be very wary of upending these children's lives, even in the face of a bombshell revelation like this, said Marlowe. Disick will have an uphill battle convincing the judge that his interests should take priority over the welfare of Mason, Penelope, and Rain. Beyond the personal drama for the Kardashian-Disick family, the potential fallout from this scandal could have far-reaching implications for the entertainment industry and the broader public. This case really gets to the heart of some deep-seated issues around celebrity culture, privacy, and the public's right to know, said media analyst Trisha Williamson. If Disick's claims are true, it raises serious questions about the lengths that high-profile individuals will go to in order to preserve their public image. The lawsuit also highlights the growing prevalence of DNA testing and the potential for such technology to upend long-held assumptions about paternity and family relationships. As home DNA kits become more affordable and accessible, experts say cases like this may become increasingly common. We're entering a new era where DNA evidence can essentially override traditional notions of parentage, Williamson said. This case could set a precedent that has massive implications, not just for celebrities, but for families everywhere. For the Kardashian clan, the stakes couldn't be higher. A loss in court could not only jeopardize Disick's relationship with the children, but also deal a devastating blow to the family's carefully cultivated public image. The Kardashians have built an entire empire on the idea of the perfect, close-knit family, Williamson said. If this scandal blows wide open, it could completely shatter that illusion and have devastating consequences for their brand and their bottom line. As the legal battle unfolds, the public will be watching with bated breath to see how the drama plays out. One thing is certain, the Kardashian-Disick saga is far from over.